to put on and take off personal protective equipment when we are caring for residents who have suspected or who have been confirmed to have COVID-19 disease. You will notice I already have my mask on. That's because we're practicing universal masking, and these masks are on when we come in the facility. We are using N95 masks, okay? Okay. So, remember, if you have to adjust your mask, don't touch your mask. Clean your hands, adjust, clean your hands again. So the first step in what we're going to do is we're going to put on our shoe covers. Whether you have the covers that go just on the shoe, or you have the ones that you pull up to your knees, you're just going to open them up, stick your shoe in, and pull them up if they're the kind that pull up, okay? You'll know that because they're really long. All right. The next thing we're going to do is put on your protective hair covering if you have them. Some people have the shoe covering, some people have hair coverings, some people don't. You have them, use them, okay? This one is washable, not disposable, but yours are disposable, so I'm just going to use this for demo purposes. We're just going to go ahead and put it on. This is a good time to have already had your hair pulled up out of your face, ready to go. Okay? There we go. So I've got my shoe coverings, my head covering. The next thing we're going to do is put on a protective garment, whether it is our washable gown or it is our spacesuit. All right? When you go to put your spacesuit on, you're going to unzip it, of course. It'd be pretty hard to get it in if you don't. You put it on like pants. Just kind of bunch it up on the side so you're not dragging it on the floor. Hold it up. And you're going to lift up one leg, put it in, right? You're going to lift up the other leg, put it in. You're going to pull it up. And then you're going to put your arms in, like you're putting on a shirt, and you're going to zip it up. Okay? Now, if you're using the washable gown, we're going to put it on like we put a normal gown on. Remember, when we use gowns, they need to cover us all the way around, right? If you have a little extra in the back and the gown doesn't cover you, you need to put a gown on backwards first and then a gown on this way. I would need to use 2 gowns, but in an effort to conserve personal protective equipment and for demo purposes, I'm just going to use 1. Make sure you tie top and make sure you tie the middle. All right. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put on my face shield. Wonderfully simple, but very effective. So, the cushion part goes towards your forehead. Put it on the forehead, and then pull it back. Make sure it's in place. The last thing I'm going to do is put on my gloves. Be mindful, your gloves go over your gown. Okay? My gloves over my gown. All right, so now I'm ready to go. Remember, as you're working, if your gloves become quite soiled or if they become damaged, you're going to take them off properly, clean your hands, and then put on a new pair, right? Okay. So you're done with the care, you're ready to leave the area. You just rip everything off because it's so hot in here. No. You're going to take things off very methodically. Okay? You're going to take them off in order and you're going to clean as you go. So the first thing you're going to do, clean your gloves. I know it sounds different, but clean your gloves. You're going to use the wipes or the spray provided. You're going to clean your gloves. You're going to use the wipes or spray provided, and you're going to clean your table in front of you, right? Okay. So now that you've done that, you've got clean gloves. You're going to untie your gown. Top and bottom, you're going to untie your gown. All right? Keep it up off of your uniform. Do not touch your uniform. Untie it. And pull it off. Keeping the dirty side away from your uniform and away from you. And since this one's rewashable, I'm going to go to my step pan for linen. Push it, drop it in. Now, remember, gloves were clean because you just cleaned them. If you were taking off your jumpsuit, you're going to unzip it right? And you're going to take it, don't touch your uniform, you're going to take it off of your shoulders, roll it down. As you're going down, drop it to the floor. Step out of it, both feet. Step out of it. Pick it back up. You're going to hang it on the hook. Take your wipes or your spray, and you're going to wipe it down, spray it down. This is yours to use, so you're going to clean it, okay? So that you have it ready for your next time. Okay, now I'm going to hang that to dry. The next thing that I'm going to do is take my gloves off. Be careful not to snap them. Remove them glove to glove, skin to skin. Now see, I just contaminated my finger. So I'm going to use my other finger, pull it the rest of the way off, and I'm going to clean my hands. All right? I'm going to put on a new pair of gloves. Right? Now that I have my new gloves on, I'm going to remove my headgear or face shield, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to reach for the back, and then I'm going to tip forward and pull it off. Careful not to touch my uniform. I'm going to use the spray or the wipes, whatever I have, and I'm going to clean all of this all the way around. All right? Remember, my table's clean, so I'm going to set it down on the table. Okay? The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to remove my hair cover. Just pluck it at the top, pull it off, drop it in the trash. Okay? Next, I'm going to clean my shoes if I don't have shoe covers. If I do have shoe covers, I'm going to take them off. Be careful to touch the outside and not touch my uniform or my shoes. Throw them in the trash. Then I'm going to get the spray or the wipes and clean my shoes. Okay? Now that I'm done with all of that, I'm going to take off my gloves. Remember, glove to glove. Don't snap your gloves. And skin to skin. Right? Okay. I'm going to clean my hands again. When I'm ready to leave for the day, I'm going to take off my mask. Remember to clean your hands first, right? And then you're going to take off your mask in a very controlled way. Make sure you do not contaminate yourself or the mask. Hair gets messy, but mask is good, right? Okay. And then we're going to clean our hands again. Remember, if you have any questions, and yes, I'm going to clean my hands again. If you have any questions, you want to practice, please ask. That's what all of us are here for. All right? We want to help you. And thank you so much for taking care of everyone. I appreciate it.